Hey buddy, Sam back once again, and today's really quick video for you. It's just going to show you how you pair your brand new FreeBuds Studios to your Mate 40 Pro. Trust me, it's the easiest thing you're going to do today. Right, all you need to do, turn your phone on. Yep, that easy. On the actual FreeBuds, there's a power button and there's also the Bluetooth button. So tap and hold the power button, you see that it's turned on. Tap and hold the Bluetooth button, it'll actually flash white, and look at that straight away. Now, click connect. It takes about 3 seconds or so. We're now connected. At this point, it's going to show you some of the cool features you can actually be doing with the brand new FreeBuds Studio. Now, if you want to see a full video in regards to all of this, hit the comment down below, because there's a link down below underneath this video, and I'll also put a card there to my full kind of review of these headphones and how you do it with this phone. Okay? Anyway, people, any questions, hit me in the comment down below. Don't forget to smash that like button, you know you want to, and go on, subscribe. It's free. Anyway, thanks for watching, and you'll see these puppies, and you'll hear this voice in my next one. Cheers, everyone.